For those of you who applied last cycle and are rapidly approaching the start of your life as a dental school student, this video is for you. I'm going to share my thoughts with you about what you should do with your time before starting dental school. I'm Connor, and I just barely took the last test of my D2 year on Thursday. So it was brutal. I lost a lot of sleep to spend time studying, but I passed, it's done, and I can get back to making content and helping out you guys. I'll be in the clinic all week, so if you want to see what I'm up to in the clinic, you can go check out my Instagram, where each day I post a recap on what I was able to do in the clinic as far as procedures go. Jumping into this video, I've seen quite a few posts on Reddit or Student Doctor Network or other forums of people asking how they should spend their time leading up to dental school. Should they study? Should they try and get their hands on textbooks and read those? What could they be doing to prepare for dental school? My first response will always be enjoy that time. Don't worry about studying. Don't worry about getting ahead. There will be plenty of time for studying and getting your hand skills down in dental school. So just enjoy this time. Spend it with friends, family. Go on a road trip or a vacation if you have the opportunity. But don't worry about getting ahead. I would especially emphasize this if you went straight from high school into undergrad and are going straight from undergrad into dental school. Enjoy a little bit of time being young. If you are absolutely dead set on doing something before dental school starts, Gunner! Sorry. Then the first place I would suggest spending that time would be on dental anatomy and tooth morphology. So this is a class that every dental school teaches. It's information that you'll have to learn, and there are plenty of videos and resources online. Thank goodness for the internet. So you can get a little bit familiar with this material. You don't have to memorize all of it, but just a little bit of exposure will be helpful because there can be very minor differences between even the same tooth on the maxilla when compared to the mandibular tooth. The other area I might suggest you spend a little bit of time in would be anatomy. Especially if you didn't take any anatomy classes in your undergraduate, this will be beneficial. Now, only do this if you have the time, but find a good online resource. And again, you don't have to memorize everything about this material, but just gaining some familiarity with it will be beneficial. That way it isn't brand new for the first time seeing it in dental school, which can be a little overwhelming because that material can be a lot. There you have it. That's my advice on how you should spend your time before dental school. I'll emphasize again, just relax. Enjoy this time because free time will be kind of hard to come by once you start dental school. So don't get too caught up in trying to get ahead. Go relax, read a book, go for walks, pick up a new hobby, or better yet, stay posted for more content on my channel coming in the near future. Go ahead and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. That way more pre-dental students can stumble across my channel and find valuable information on their journey in becoming a dentist. With that, I'll see you in the next one. Wait, I won't see you because I'm in the video and that doesn't make sense. Why do YouTubers say that? You'll see me in the next one. That's just weird. Well, this is an awkward way to end the video. Bye!